I've had a blast the last 3 years coaching a Little League football team. But this year was extraordinary. This year, we won the league championship for the whole city. My son and 2 other boys got selected to be on the All-Star team. And we had one of the most extraordinary journeys through the All-Star process that I've ever seen. We won the first 3 games playing teams from Ohio, playing teams from Georgia, Tennessee, and Kentucky. These were very good ball players, 7, 8 years, and 9 years old. I had no idea that 7, 8, and 9-year-old boys were as capable of doing what these kids did. It was extraordinary. We got down to the final game. It had rained all night the night before. The field was muddy and the field was sloppy. Our boys were so intense. I didn't think a young boy that in elementary school was capable of becoming that intense. They played their guts out. They left their little hearts on that football field. At the end of the game, we lost 6-0. Neither team scored an offensive touchdown. We fumbled once. They picked up the ball, ran it back for a touchdown, and we lost the game 6-0. Now, the most extraordinary thing that happened that whole weekend was at the end of the game, and I saw something I'll never forget. My son and his 2 buddies that he played on with in the regular season, walking off the field, mud all over their uniforms, mud on their face, sweat running down their neck, blood running off their knuckles from hitting other kids in the helmet trying to get rid of would-be blockers. They walked off that field like champions with their heads down, took their helmets off, and I saw a picture in my mind that I'll never forget. These 3 boys walking side by side and big alligator tears coming down their face. And I got a chill up my spine. Those boys were winners. Those boys were champions. They get it. And I thought about it. They didn't need to be fixed. They were born fixed. Because you see, we're all born fixed. You were born fixed. I was born fixed. We don't need to get fixed. We need to let go. We need to let go of what? The garbage that we put in up here. I know the economy's bad, but let me tell you something. The economy's not going to kick me in the butt, and it's not going to kick you in the butt unless you let it. You've got a choice to make, my friend. I've got a choice to make. We can be a victim, or we can be a victim. What are you going to do, huh?